Naomi Home presents the Raven Minimalist Comfort Futon Sofa Bed. Imagine this, a sofa that effortlessly converts into a bed with dreamlike comfort in just a few steps. It's perfect for those times when your guests decide to stay the night. And that's not all. This futon has a split-back feature for optimal customization. Whether your home decor is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, this versatile piece will seamlessly complement any style. This futon is not only functional, but it's also easy to assemble. Set up your perfect guest room or living room in no time. Upgrade your home with a sofa bed that combines luxury, practicality, and timeless elegance. Make every guest feel at home and enjoy the perfect blend of function and fashion. The Raven Futon Sofa Bed comes in various colors such as light gray, white, and seafoam blue. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.